Hey Bob, another quick little video here showing you my thrown together mini CNC router here. Definitely not precision, but gave me a real quick working machine. This one took about a day and a half or so to throw together. Using a Dremel for the cutting tool, Z-axis jogs up and down. Here's the X-axis. Yeah, hang on. Okay, X, Y, Z. This one I'm gonna run a quick demo on this lady silhouette cutout here. Run the G code for it and show you what the machine does here. I need to set everything back to 0. That tells the machine to move everything back to the 0. And let's see here. I'm going to hit cycle start. And you'll see it starts running some numbers. And I guess that's fine. Now it's done. Automatically moves it back up. So anyway, that's using the same drivers I had. Little motor there for the Z-axis, the X-axis and a ball screw, Y-axis little stepper motor with a ball screw, a couple of UHMW nuts I made up, little rollers and stuff for the rails. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple, straightforward setup here. A couple bearings on the inside there. That's about it. Yeah, I know you saw my mess in the background there, but oh well. Alright, anyway, I'll shoot this one to you.